In this video, I'll show you how to protect your Facebook account from hackers using your phone. Securing your account is important to prevent unauthorized access and keep your personal information safe. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon to open the menu page, then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Inside the Settings page, tap on Password and Security. The first thing you should do is make sure your password is strong. Tap Change Password and create a password that uses a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so it is harder to guess. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication and choose a security method such as receiving a code on your phone when you log in. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You should also review the section called Where you're logged in. Here you can see all devices that are currently using your account. If you see a device you don't recognize, tap it and choose Log Out. It is also a good idea to turn on login alerts so Facebook notifies you if someone tries to access your account from a new device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.